just want to give you the quick tips that I use to make great hamburgers every single time. First of all, you want to start with 80-20 beef, because you need a good amount of fat. When you have a hamburger, you want it to taste juicy, you want it to have that really good texture. And if you buy a hamburger that is lower than, or actually, yeah, lower than 20% fat, what you end up having is a burger that will compact more, and it won't taste as juicy and it won't taste as flavorful. When we make green chili burgers, we start with ground beef, and I put about 1/3 cup of green chili. I'm going to add some of my own green chili chicken rub. I add about 2 teaspoons, which will go right in there. And then I'm going to put 1/2 cup of what is a combination, well, actually I want more than that now. I'm going to put about 3/4 cup of grated cheese in there, which is a combination of Jack and cheddar. You could go with all cheddar. You could even do a smoked cheddar. That would be really wonderful. So I'm going to mix this up so that I can see a good consistency of cheese and of the green chilies mixed throughout. When you flatten them out, make sure you put a dimple in the center. That will keep your burger from puffing, and it will keep it nice and flat while you're grilling it. And it's also one of those things that you can use as a gauge. So as you start to grill it, you will notice that juices will start to pool in the center of that dimple, and that is an indicator that it's time to turn the burger. I recommend that you have an instant read thermometer. It is the best way to find out if the inside of that burger is cooked. It gives you a read within a few seconds. It's got a nice pointed skinny probe that is accurate, that you can test those burgers. And then when they reach temperature, you can be sure to pull them off before they become hockey pucks and dry, because that's not what you want.